Yeah, I've got my other bitch building my wakeboard for me. Johnny does my bike, Moose does my wakeboards. Out hit the old cable park. Haven't wakeboarded in at least six years, and put it this way, the last time I wakeboarded I thought I was regular, and that's well gone in my life, so this is going to be interesting. Hopefully I can get some good footage of you today. But I need to learn how to probably wakeboard first before I even try follow you.
Remember, no handle, no hope.
Well, to be honest with you, worst comes to worst, I'll just post up on the side and just get some sick slow-mo, I reckon. You know, I just realised I'm gonna get copyright strikes because of that fucking music, eh? What a cunt. Anyway,
I'm gonna pick it up.
yeah, dude, 100% it will. What? Get a moose. That didn't go very well. Alright, I'm gonna try switch. Oh. God damn it. I don't know. I feel like I want to be riding regular, but then, oh, I don't know. Get a moose! Get a moose! Oh, hey! Yeah, it's funny because I thought I'd come here and like be able to follow moose, but I have zero wakeboarding skills. None. Oh, this is funny. Well, that's it for today's video. The cable park was a really good time. I really wanted to be able to film Moose, but my wakeboarding abilities were just nowhere near they needed to be to try and follow him with this guy. Maybe next time though. Definitely got the hang of it again towards the end. For some reason I thought the chest mount would be a good mount to use for the wake park, but that was a huge mistake and it was shocking. So, you know, lesson learned. But besides that, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Get outside, go wakeboarding, pat some puppies. Oh yeah, like the video if you want to do that. Subscribe as well if that's something else you're into. But yeah, but besides that, have a fantastic day.